UMP Bathamai Katura constituency Saleng e Sangma naka Congress ulaong baganu kanu ka party kamla man kamtrai ki Paidbah namar baki Paidbah ki dehi ki Paidbah ban aya kharai Mantaka shipho tarik jalio arja arpasau Saleng ula ino ya ka kam MLA dakba IT ka shithi ha commissioner and secretary ka assembly hadin ba ula syajiat kum UMP natura Ulaong baka politik hanga kadika kamban syakriya Paidbah omban thok ban syukur. Habakali halor ke jingwan phai jung Dr. Mukul Saleng ulapan pau baka parti kamdo Sngewtynnad Shuh banwan phai Biang syaka Congress.
Trinamool supported me.
Voters voted in favor.
Telling you. Voters, and then definitely it's the, it's the divine intervention. I'm telling you, it's the God himself who has given me, blessed me right now. Trinamool, forget the Trinamool Congress and them.
No, but
Was
in
there any-
BJP also they say that.
I'm talking about certain people, Oh yes, what
No,
BJP?
Even BJP.
Anybody can speak anything, brother. Just because anybody speaks everything doesn't mean that we are not accepting. Nobody has supported us, brother. Only people and the Lord himself. It's the people only. I don't want to give it to any party, any credit to any party. It's the people. It's the people. And the church leaders and the people.
So what will be your...
I will diligently and purely deliver everything, whatever power will be given to me, 100% to my people and to protect my religion. Showing the true color of democracy, and then we are showing the true spirit of democracy. So we are sticking together. I think we will not be, how would you say, we will not be tempted by any offer given by the BJP or NDA. Voters of Garage.
Yes.
You see, they are God-fearing people. They are not identified as BJP, NPP or Congress. They are public, they are peace-loving people. So that's the reason why they have chosen me to do something, to make some differences.
Well,
Have you seen any scar in there like NPP, TMC or Congress? Nobody is TMC, nobody is Congress, nobody is NPP, nobody is such like that. But the thing is that since they have been given such some designations in certain area, that's why they choose to be that particular, party. But nobody is NPP, nobody is Congress, nobody is, nobody is TMC. They're all public. They need to make a change. They needed to make a change for their own family, for their own people, and for the society as a whole. So that's the reason why I think they have chosen me, not as a Congress, but they chosen me for the change. So I'll definitely try to deliver whatever task it will be before me.
With this, the new leadership in Karagul, you have become an undisputed leader, the next leader after Mukul Sanma, Kontar Sanma.
No, I won't say we are leaders actually, not me only. There's a lots of people who came out and supported me. Okay, so I won't say I. There's a lots of people who has come out to support me. So maybe they have just chosen me as a chairman to look after the issues and the thing as a parliamentarian. So it's not me alone who has made a differences. There's a lots of people together. We have come out and then we have done the job. Like Madame Deborah was there, Billy Kid, John Leslie, Farlin, who was ditched by the NPP, lots. There were lots of BJP.
Yeah, but she joined BJP.
No, she's with me
She
only.
contested from BJP.
well,
That's what I'm saying. But she supported me, no, not as a BJP, but as a Farlin, she supported me.
well,
Yeah, but in politics.
power in Garhwils usually shuffles between.
I made a legacy of people only, not the family. So my whoever backed me is from the Garhwils, so they are my family. So my family backed me, of course.
Yeah, but in politics, there's
Yes.
no permanent friends, no person.
You might say that one, but I don't know. I don't know what's the meaning of politics. When you try to analyze
So tomorrow-
what is politics, for example, I don't know who has made this. What is politics? Politics is a state affair. To look after the people, to look after the, the society. But I don't know. When you're saying politics, that means you're lying and then you're cheating. It's not like that to me. So my politics is totally different. My politics is for the people. So those cheaters, those liars, and then those scammers will not be part of us. So we will try to see whatever we can do. Now, for example, as you were saying, whether Dr. Mukul will come back or not. For example, we might not like him to come back. To be frank enough, we might not like Jenny to come back also. For example, to the Congress. Let them stay where they are. Simple as that.
There's no room for them now.
I don't think so. If they come through me, I will not give.